Hey there! The G35 is finally going in to get some much needed work done. One of them is the lower ball joint. And if you like a closer look, check this out. Then it will be the motor mounts. I'll show you the one side right here. Now obviously, if I had the proper tools and the time to do it at home, I would, but I don't. So now I've got to pay roughly 2,200 Canadian to have 4 items fixed on this car. The spending spree begins tomorrow. So here we are tomorrow. Ooh. On the way to the shop. I am not going to miss that sound. It is very yellow. So we finally arrived at the shop. And I am not going to be missing any of those sounds. Very loud, very annoying. Can't wait for that to be fixed. There it sits, waiting to go in there, and I am going to just walk away, call a cab, and go home, because I think 2 days could take the next 5. It's not a high priority job, but I'm willing to work with these guys just to get my car back, and hopefully proper right. That could be a future video. Well, I finally found my ride home, and there it is. At least they sent me a Toyota. And we've arrived safe and sound, and as he clears up his paperwork, he'll be on his way. Now the wait for the car begins. Well, it's day 2, no phone call yet. Maybe day 3 will be the charm I'm looking for. And here we are, day 3, and I decided to bring the Kia Forte down to Cal Tire because it is most definitely tire swap season, and I'm still waiting on the Infiniti. And there we go, $157.99 to have my winter tires and rims mounted on the Forte. We are good for the snow season. Quite the contrast from the gray pavement that we drive on every day is this red tree exploding with the colors of fall. It's day 4 and I'm still waiting for my Infiniti. Welcome to day 5. Overcast skies, light rain. Oh, and look what made it back from the shop. So here we are, day 6. If it was still in the shop, but it's only day 5 and I got the car back. How are we doing on the bumps? Quieter. And how are those front brakes working out? much nicer. Of course, all this work comes at a price. Mine was $3,501.10. So what started out as a simple job to replace both the lower ball joints and motor mounts turned into much more. This is only page 1. We had broken bolts, braces, control arms, stuff just going wrong. There's both the broken bolts. And there's the part they actually had to air chisel out. 9.54 hours just to replace both the motor mounts. That's how bad a shape they were in. Nevertheless, this is day 1. And a lot more spending yet to come. Thanks for watching. Consider giving a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, leave comments in the section below. And until next time, take care.